I'm Cathy, the Clumsy Soaper. Today I'd like to share with you my new website, mysoapcalc.com. It is a web-based soap-like calculator that helps to create handmade soap recipes for home soap making. This site is a soap making online resource and a platform for informal collective learning and fun social community. Before we start, I'd like to thank you for joining me again this week. If you are new here in my channel, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon for a weekly soap making tips and tricks, DIY tutorials, or recipe sharing from me. Soap making is my passion, so I would really appreciate if you can join me in my soap making journey so we could learn and grow together. So, let's get started. Today is my birthday and I would like to share with you this mini project that I started last year. I have a spreadsheet that I use to calculate all my soap recipes, but I decided to make my Soap Calc accessible to everyone. I worked on this on the background, but last month I decided to focus and prioritize this so I can launch the website today. Are you ready for the grand reveal? This is the front page of our website. To go here, you need to go to mysoapcalc.com, mysoapcalc.com. You need to have the word my soap calc, or else it will redirect you to another like calculator. So from here, you can go to the About section and you will know more about me, about my soap calc, and what are the things that you can do here. As you can see, we have 3 calculators here, 2 of which are for soap making. The first one is the Leche soap calculator, and then we have the soap costing calculator, and we also have a basic calculator. It's not only a soap calculator, there are other things that you can do. This is a soap making community, and as you can see here, I am previously logged into my website and now I logged out. You can still go and do your soap like calculations, but for the other parts like the costing or going into the blog and other part of my soap calc, you cannot access that unless you log in. We have a chat, we have a forum, and we have groups also. So you'll know more about this when you go inside. When you log in, you'll notice that you will have your own profile page. You can update the profile photos, you can have your own cover images, you can create albums and then post your soap making photos there. And you can also add our soap sisters and bubble brothers as friends. So this is a social community for soap making. And for the question of the week, what other calculators or what other features or functions would you like me to add into this website? Let me know by writing it down in the comment section below. Thank you so much, Soap Sisters and Bubble Brothers!
Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed what I shared, please leave a like and a comment below. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon to keep you posted of my weekly uploads. Until next time, bye-bye and happy birthday to those who will be celebrating their birthdays this month. God bless!